In this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about index laws. So let's get right to it. Firstly, when multiplying pronumerals, add the indices. In other words, if a and b are real numbers, then x to the power of a times x to the power of b equals x to the power of a plus b. For example, x times x is equal to x to the power of 1 plus 1, which is equal to x squared. Y to the power of 2 times y to the power of 3 equals y to the power of 2 plus 3, which equals y to the power of 5. A to the power of 3 times a to the power of 4 equals a to the power of 3 plus 4, which equals a to the power of 7. Now, when dividing pronumerals, you subtract the indices. In other words, if a and b are real numbers, then x to the power of a divided by x to the power of b equals x to the power of a minus b. For example, x squared divided by x is equal to x to the power of 2 minus 1, which is just equal to x. B to the power of 7 divided by b squared is equal to b to the power of 7 minus 2, which equals b to the power of 5. Y to the power of 10 divided by y to the power of 6 is equal to y to the power of 10 minus 6, which equals y to the power of 4. Now, when taking the power of another power, you multiply the indices. In other words, if a and b are real numbers, then x to the power of a to the power of b is equal to x to the power of ab. For example, x squared to the power of 4 is equal to x to the power of 2 times 4, which equals x to the power of 8. A to the power of 5 to the power of 3 is equal to a to the power of 5 times 3, which equals a to the power of 15. N to the power of 4 to the power of 7 is equal to n to the power of 4 times 7, which equals n to the power of 28. Now, when a number has a power of 0, then it equals 1. That is, x to the power of 0 equals 1. For example, a to the power of 0 is 1, y to the power of 0 is 1, and b to the power of 0 is 1. When a pronumeral has a negative power, then it is flipped to the denominator of a fraction. In other words, if n is a real number, then x to the power of negative n is equal to 1 over x to the power of n. For example, x to the power of negative 1 is equal to 1 over x. Y to the power of minus 4 equals 1 over y to the power of 4. Z to the power of negative 9 is equal to 1 over z to the power of 9. If a pronumeral has a fractional power, then the denominator of that power is the root of the number. In other words, if n is a real number, then x to the power of 1 over n is equal to the nth root of x. For example, x to the power of half is equal to the square root of x. Y to the power of 1 over 3 is equal to the cube root of y. And p to the power of 1 over 10 is equal to the 10th root of p. Now, since x to the power of 1 over n is equal to the nth root of x, it follows that x to the power of a over b is equal to the b root of x to the power of a, where a and b are real numbers. For example, x to the power of 5 over 2 equals the square root of x to the power of 5. A to the power of 3 over 4 is equal to the 4th root of a to the power of 3. T to the power of 8 over 7 is equal to the 7th root of t to the power of 8. Finally, xy to the power of a is equal to x to the power of a times y to the power of a. And x over y all to the power of a is equal to x to the power of a over y to the power of a, where a is a real number. For example, xy to the power of 4 is equal to x to the power of 4 times y to the power of 4. A over b to the power of 3 is equal to a cubed over b cubed. B squared times q to the power of 5 all to the power of 7 is equal to p to the power of 2 times 7 times q to the power of 5 times 7, which then equals p to the power of 14 times q to the power of 35. Let's go through some more examples of index laws. Let's say we want to simplify x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 7. Well, that just equals to x to the power of 3 plus 7, which equals x to the power of 10. Let's say we want to simplify b to the power of 5 divided by b to the power of 4. Well, that just equals b to the power of 5 minus 4, which then equals b. Let's say we want to simplify n squared to the power of 6. Well, that just equals n to the power of 2 times 6, which equals n to the power of 12. Let's say we want to write q to the power of 2 over 7 as a root. Well, that would equal the 7th root of q squared. Let's say we want to write the 9th root of y to the power of 4 in index form. Well, that would just equal to y to the power of 4 over 9. Finally, let's say we want to simplify x to the power of 4 times y squared all over x times y to the power of 9. Well, let's deal with each pronumeral separately. So this will equal to x to the power of 4 minus 1 times y to the power of 2 minus 9, which equals x cubed times y to the power of negative 7, which equals to x cubed over y to the power of 7. I hope that everyone has learnt from this video. If you have learnt from this video, please leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.